All right, guys, we are back, and we actually got some free product. This company, Lexland, hit me up and asked me if I wanted to review some product. They have tons of options for Tacomas, Forerunners, fourth gen Tacomas, and other trucks too, like F-150s and stuff. So definitely check them out. And I do have a code with them, so use code J4X4, and you're gonna get 18% off anything on the website. So yeah, guys, use that and you get a discount and I make a little money. So if you want to support the channel, check them out. I'll have a link in my bio. These two products linked, and yeah, you can check it out if you want. Let's see what we got. Up some smoke tail light covers, secret console compartment. So let's check them out. So here's the tail light covers. Good packaging, just fits on like that. Kind of darkens it up, which is cool, and it just kind of matches the blacked out look of my truck. So let's get them on, see what it looks like. Here it is. Seems like pretty durable plastic, so brought a little alcohol wipe to just wipe down the edges, make sure it sticks good. An adhesive strip on the inside, so it just sticks right on. Let's do it. Oof, it's pretty good. Perfect fit. I'm just gonna press on this for like a few minutes to make sure it's fully on there. All right, as you can see, seamless fit. It's like right on the edge there. Wraps all the way around, covers down here. Yeah, perfect fit, guys, and it's already pretty adhered to it, so we'll do the other side. All right, second one is on. Guys, these look sick. Yeah, these look sweet. Definitely recommend. This install took 5-10 minutes. Just make sure you wipe down the tail lights with like maybe some alcohol and water. The second thing that they sent me, center console compartment, secret compartment. So this is it, and it sticks right in. Let's go put it in. Technically, first interior mod. Got the dogs in here. I thought this was pretty cool. I saw it on their site, and I just thought it was a cool thing that I really haven't seen before. Kind of like a secret chamber, because tab here, and when it's in here, it kind of appears that it's just like the top of the lid. But yeah, and then you can open it like that, with like some cash in there, or really whatever you wanted. So let's get it in. Provided a little alcohol pad to wipe down the area, just to get some dust off probably. I took the adhesive strips off, and let's get it mounted in there. So I wiped it off, should be all clean. Just blow out any dust there. And it should just press it on the edges here. Hey buddy. Cash, I got some cash right here. Let's put it in. My secret cash stash. Hit her in there. I'll probably put in here as cash, so if you ever rob my truck, you'll know. But yeah, so this is in. Pretty cool. Took a minute to put in. We got our secret compartment, and let's take one more look at those tail lights. Yeah, these look really good, guys. It honestly, I wasn't expecting it to look this clean. So, and guys, shout out to Lexland. I'll put the link right here, and it'll be in the bio. Again, use my code J4X4 and you'll get some money off. And these things that I've got, the taillight covers are sweet. Cheap, it's easy to do, and it looks cool. So I don't know. Up by O'Reilly's really quick because one of my valve caps was missing, and I got these ones. They look pretty sweet. So let's put them on. Yeah, that's sick. A lot better than these. Pretty cool. It is Saturday morning, and we are heading up to Flagstaff to go camping. It might be really, really cold. So, all right, we got this bitch loaded up. Some bouldering pads and camping stuff. Made it to Flagstaff. Truck's here, and we're at the climbing spot. You're gonna see me do some rock climbing. Climb this thing. First climb done. Moving on. Pretty awesome out here. Spent a lot of time climbing rocks out here. Alright, so this is it. This is the cave. Well, I had fun climbing. Gonna go run some errands in town, get some food, and then yeah, we're gonna go find a campsite. I forgot my sleeping bag, so I had to buy one. We're getting beer, then we're going to our spot. So, pretty sweet spot. I'm pretty excited. On Kelly Canyon Road for you Arizona people. Chuck's looking sick. Let's get our shit set up. So we got these drinks cooling off. Some Pabst. Definitely essentials first. Beautiful. This is a great spot. About to set up camp here. Like, here's the setup. All right, so we're venturing down into this canyon. Gotta do some more climbing. Got some beverages and a little ice bag. Pretty tired carrying these pads. Almost back. Base camp. Now we just gotta chill and drink beer. Make some food. Chill out. Damn, she looked good. Alright guys, we're chilling. Probably cook some food in a sec, but yeah, it's getting cold. Got my coat on. He's got his coat on. Alright guys, we are straight up exploring the fucking woods right now. What's up, bro? Look how sick this flashlight is. Ready? Oh, that's sick. Look at that spotlight on the truck. This flashlight is sick. Look at that. You test these dish lights. We got our switcher. Let's flip it. All right, so we got the whole scene lit up. Sweater's on. All right, get on this step. kitchen going. Broccoli rice, we got some lentils, quinoa, and we got some chili mac with beef. We got our food, got a movie rolling, Idiocracy. Just got our broccoli with rice, and we're eating up. Morning. Got a mess here. Coffee, chilling. Can't beat waking up to this. We didn't leave a single thing of trash, just this ice. That's how you camp. Don't leave shit. And we're out.